to implement a page to show you how to put in images, files, tables, text boxes, and links. So I'm just going to put a page in here. So push create. It's just going to be, I'm just going to call it training. And it's just going to be a plain one. And we're just going to go, so push done there. Okay, so a text box. First simple bit. So normally you can just type in here. So very accurate typing there. But if you wanted that to stand out a little bit more, then you could put it into a text box. So if you could copy it, go to more, select text box, paste, and here you've got your usual kind of ability to edit it. You've also got the ability for special characters if you're in languages or in sciences. You can also link it from here as well. And bold and italic as normal. So we'll just put this in. The advantage of a text box, so this is the text box here, is that you've got slightly few more styles that you can deal with. So you can put it on perhaps some card. There's a kind of style that would make it stand out a bit more, or you've got other ones. If we click back on that, so let's go sticky note, something like that. Okay, just to make something stand out a bit more or change up the look of your page. Right, secondly, images. Okay, so if you go click on images, now hopefully you'll already have the image that you want to put into your page on your computer somewhere. So if we go select file, now if we go down here, there's some images. Hopefully there's a screenshot one here of Steve Jobs. So we'll just click that, click open. There he is. You've got the option to put a caption. So Steve Jobs, add image. Okay, and there he is, a very pixelated picture of Steve Jobs. You can reduce his size if it's too big. So just drag and make him the size you want. That's pixelated now. Whilst we're, and then thirdly, put it in a file. So files, PowerPoints, Word documents, Excels, or PDFs, anything along those lines. So again, we go up to the top, click on File, select File from the computer. If we go down here, there's some extra ones. So this is a PowerPoint. Again, click Open it, or add it, and then just some kind of caption. If need be, you don't have to do this. Click Add File, and it'll pop up in its own video. Not a big video, its own window. Next one is quite a simple one, just tables, just a way of presenting your data if you want to. So again, click More, click Table, then you've got quite a lot of functionality in here in terms of this is how many columns you want, how many rows you want. You've got the ability to merge, split, all those things you'd expect within reason. You've got slightly different types of, so you can hide borders, or you can highlight certain cells, and so on. And then this usual functionality here. So if we just put in some numbers here. And then again, just done and bring it out. And then finally, links. Now this is probably one of the most useful ones in terms of navigating around your department's Firefly pages, or whether it's just linking to a website outside. So if we can type anything, click here. And then if you highlight what you want to add. Now, so I'm gonna link it to a BBC homepage. Okay, so if you get highlight, copy,